In the midst of the Nigerian Civil War, a chapter unfolded that would alter the course of history. The Biafrans, resilient and determined, responded to the tumultuous times with an offensive of their own. On a fateful day, the 9th of August in 1967, Biafran forces crossed their western border and the mighty Niger River into the midwestern state of Nigeria, led by the steadfast Lieutenant Colonel Banjo, a Yoruba man with the Biafran rank of brigadier. They pushed forward, undeterred. Their journey took them through the heart of the state, the bustling Benin city. With every step, they advanced westward, marching boldly toward their destiny. But their march was not destined to be endless. On the 21st of August, at Ori, in what is now known as Ondo State, they faced resistance, a halt to their advance. The Biafran attack met with varying reactions from Nigerian soldiers. You see, before the conflict, there was an agreement for soldiers to return